Hi guys, what's happening? My name is Divya and welcome back to the channel. This video is about my personal studio. कितना time लगा ये studio बनाने में, कितना खर्चा लगा, what are the things that I bought, I mean in terms of equipments, वो कहाँ से लिया, कितने में लिया, and क्यों लिया, everything will be covered in this video. By the end, we are also going to cover one more thing. If you are someone who wants to make your own studio with bare minimum space, how do you do that? With bare minimum budget, moderate budget, and a high budget. We're going to cover each and everything, so make sure you watch the video till the end. So guys, before we start, I would want to show you my studio. Nothing too fancy, very basic stuff. I have not rented a space outside of, or I have not bought a space outside. It's my own bedroom. I've converted my bedroom to a studio. Okay, so how did the whole process start? Number one thing is I got my room completely cleared off. So मैंने बेड निकाल दिया. यहाँ पर जो वॉलपेपर है, वॉलपेपर पूरा चेंज करना पड़ा because of the headboard. The wallpaper was only midway, तो नीचे का पार्ट कुछ नहीं था. So I had to change that. So wallpaper पूरा निकला. Walls पे जो भी cracks थे, I had to fill them and I had to repaint the whole house first. Okay, I mean the whole room first. So that was step number one. फ्लोरिंग थी इसकी टाइल्स की which I have not changed at all because उसका जरूरत ही नहीं था. I could have done that, like I could have made it more soundproof in terms like if I wanted to drop weight, but again उसका कॉस्टिंग बढ़ जाता है, इसके लिए वो मैंने नहीं किया. So उस टाइल्स पर ही directly I have put rubber mats and one part I have kept it for wooden flooring. So wooden flooring इसके लिए कि थोड़ा सा fancy भी दिखे and at the same time gives me one separation कि हाँ वहाँ पर work desk है, यहाँ पर gym है. One thing that I changed is my wallpaper. I wanted a good backdrop, so that is the reason why some dark color जिसपे मेरा ये logo pop out हो सके. So that is the reason why this grey wallpaper, that is what I've selected. And lastly, I've spent a little extra amount of money over here on the logo because this is what I've been living for. 3 साल से मैं देखते आ रहा हूँ इस brand को and I'm living this brand now. So yes, वो ही मेरा brand है and वही दिखने वाला है आपको. So that is the reason why I was ready to spend slightly extra on this one. Next one coming to equipments. Now equipments का फंडा क्या है ना, मैंने एक साथ सब कुछ नहीं लिया. एक साथ लेने जाओगे ना तो बहुत बड़ा accumulative amount आ जाता है. So what I've done is start से जब भी first lockdown हुआ था, the main actual lockdown 2020 March वाला. So that time I had only 15 kg dumbbells. So from that time, after every like 2.5, 3 months, I've kept investing on dumbbells and kettlebells and barbells and everything. So right now I have dumbbells, I have barbells, I have plates, I have bands, and I have a bench. Okay, squat rack I was about to order, but the squat rack that got delivered was not of that great quality, so I had to return it. And now I'm still skeptical about getting it back again or not. All my dumbbells, all my bands, all my barbells, everything I've ordered it only from 3 places. Number 1 is SFL Tech, number 2 is Decathlon, number 3 is Amazon. Check for the reviews. SFL Tech is going to be slightly on a higher end. Decathlon is going to be cheaper, and Amazon if you're lucky you will get great deal. Like I mean the way I got 30 kgs. 30 kgs I just got it for like almost 10,000, whereas the market price is 17,000 just because of an offer. So if you're lucky and if the rating of the product is good, you might get a good deal as well. Then comes my workstation from where actually I do my programming work, where I make programs and I send it to all my clients over our training software. So that was already there before the lockdown as well, which the whole setup has been bought from IKEA. So each and everything is on IKEA. You can just go onto their website, check out all their tables, all the stuff. Each and everything over there is from IKEA. Now I wanted to do few more things. Number 1 was change the lights. Lights I have not changed. I still use the LEDs that were there before changing the whole room. So I could have bought the lights, but then light में problem यही था कि flickering का बहुत problem है. And my whole life is in front of the camera right now at least. So camera के सामने अगर flickering हो तो that would not be appropriate. So I was skeptical about the lights. इसलिए मैंने lights नहीं लिए. Instead of that, I invested in a proper video shooting lights and kept the original lights the way they were. Another thing that I actually wanted to invest in was a fucking big huge mirror in front of me. So वो मैं करने वाला था, but then again mirror actually makes you slow while working out. That is the reason why I was like, okay, we can cost cut over here and instead of that money we can buy some sort of equipment. तो इसके लिए मैंने mirror का plan भी cancel कर दिया. So this is that, and the last one is this logo. Logo has been made by one of my friend. It has inbuilt light in it, so it's a basically 3D model where I can just put the light on and off. So this is it. Coming to the next part, which is खर्चा कितना हुआ ये पूरा करने में. Starting with the first thing, पूरा ये रूम क्लियर करने में मुझे 2000 रुपए लगे. The second one was painting the whole room. Okay, that costed me around 6000. The third one is the wallpaper, which again costed me 6000. Next thing is the flooring, जो rubber की flooring है. One rubber flooring costed me like 200 rupees and 30 मैंने use किया, so another 6000 over there. The wooden flooring was somewhere around 3000, and the last one was the logo, which cost me 9000. So अगर मोटा मोटी देखने जाओ मेरा 30 to 33,000 में पूरा रूम तैयार हो गया. Okay, if I talk about equipments, my equipments are worth closer to 75,000. Okay, this includes barbell, plates, kettlebells, dumbbells, bench, and bands, everything. Okay, अभी इतना बात समझ लो कि ये मेरा धंधा है, इसलिए मैंने इतना खर्चा किया है, यही मुझे और पैसे लाके देने वाला है, right? That is the reason why I spent so much amount of money. Now, in your case, this might practically not be possible for you, but again, you might be someone who would want to build your own space where you can work out. So now, what we are going to do is divide this topic into 3 parts. One would be bare minimum spending, moderate amount of spending, and high end. चलो हमारा जो मैंने जो खर्चा किया that comes under high end spending. तो I'm not going to cover that part again क्योंकि यही चीज है basically. Okay, now coming to the most basic version of your gym. Okay, bare minimum क्या क्या चाहिए. Common mistake that people tend to make is buying bands. Bands कभी पहले मत खरीदना. Okay, bands use करने थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है, which beginners may not understand because कभी किया ही नहीं है. So best investment option would be a pair of dumbbell. Okay, now when I say a pair of dumbbell, initially if you are clueless about what you should go for, then Decathlon से या SFL Tech, these are the 2 brands I would recommend. You can just buy adjustable dumbbells and start working out with these. इसके साथ और what you can buy is a yoga mat and maybe 1 or 2 these rubber mats, so that if you drop the weights or you want to keep the weights down तो नीचे flooring पे impact ना आए. Dumbbell तो मैंने ले लिया. अभी what is the next thing that you should buy for bare minimum budget? Answer is again a pair of fucking dumbbell. Again buy a dumbbell itself. Get used to working out at least 6 months, 8 months, 1 year consistently again and again the same thing. Okay, make sure those dumbbells that you bought are getting slightly lighter. So you need more dumbbells. Okay, that's what you're supposed to do. Coming to the second category, moderate amount of spending. अभी और क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें? Okay, so again we carry forward the whole thing. Beginner से ही होते हुए moderate पे आओगे, right? और बेसिक से होते हुए मॉडरेट पे आओगे. So you will have few dumbbells, you will have yoga mat, you will have maybe couple of rubber mats along with you, or may not. Okay, that's fine. अभी इसके अलावा अगर तुम्हें जाना है तो kettlebell is one thing that you would not want to invest. Okay, now kettlebell is an equipment that requires some amount of skill level. Okay, well maybe you might not have the skill level and then you end up buying those fancy shaped kettlebells which are fucking useless. So don't go for kettlebell. Instead, go for barbells and plates. Okay, now depending on the space that you have, बारबेल्स में भी ऑप्शंस आएंगे. 20 kg का बार आएगा, 15 kg का बार आएगा, 10 kg का बार आएगा, 7.5 kg का बार आएगा. Depending on the space that you have, according to that, choose a barbell. Barbells are going to be more generic and you'll be able to do more stuff rather than using a kettlebell. Kettlebell से सब चीजें कर सकते हो, but the problem is it becomes very complex. The technique becomes very complex. So that is the reason why I would not recommend a intermediate और ये जो moderate वाला जो खर्चे वाला है उसमें kettlebell में मत जाना. Again, sticking to the moderate spending, इससे आगे अगर कुछ और इन्वेस्ट करना है तो क्या करना चाहिए? Answer would be 3 things. Number 1 would be a pull-up bar, second one would be a bench, and third one would be bands. These are the 3 next things that you should start investing in. Now, lastly, moving on to the third category, which is the premium one. Now, I assume you might be fucking fitness freak जो इस point तक आए हो कि दिन रात तुम्हें it's become a habit कि तुम नहीं करोगे something might feel odd. Like if you're not working out, your day might not go good, or you might just feel odd, like something's missing. Okay, now if you're at that stage, okay, if you've been consistently working out for like 2 years, 3 years rigorously, okay, and you feel all the investment in your health would be worth it, then you can go for next thing. Okay, again carry forward करते हुए सब चीजें यहाँ तक आएगी, right? So next investment should be a squat rack if you have the space. If you don't have the space, that's fine. Then you can go for kettlebells. And अगर तुम्हें लगे एक individualized space चाहिए तुम्हें, okay, then all what you need to do is then just get these rubber mats and start placing them. So approximately एक barbell जितना बड़ा हो उतना quantity में mats लेकर आना. Either you can drill it into the floor, I mean you can get it stuck onto the floor if you have that much space. अगर नहीं है तो that's fine. You can just get those mats, place it, rearrange, and you can put it back as well. Guys, and the last thing, people on Instagram have asked me to सोता कहाँ पर है, बेड चला गया तो अभी सोता कहाँ है? The answer is I sleep on the floor itself. that's one sacrifice that I've made, but I'm totally happy and I'm very comfortable sleeping on the floor as well. So I just put a mat and I sleep on the floor. So हाँ, मुझे आदत है आज से 3 साल पहले जब मैं जिम में काम किया करता था, that time also I had a habit, like I used to work throughout the day. My coaching hours used to be like 10 and 12 hours a day, and by the end of the day I was so fucking tired, तो मैं घर पे भी नहीं जाता था. I used to sleep in the gym only because next day again sessions start हो जाते थे early morning से. So I've done that, so I'm very comfortable with that. And initially this is for like at least 2 or 3 years that I'm going to do this. इसके बाद इंशाल्लाह बड़े बन जाएंगे तो बड़ा घर ले लेंगे, फिर अलग से एक स्टूडियो ही होगा उसमें. Anyways guys, I hope you found the video helpful, and if you did then please don't forget to hit like, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Do it right daily, and until next time, see you there.